Have you ever felt like that market working against you? Whenever you are opening a trade, just it is going the other way. If this is happening to you, then you are not alone. When I began my trading, this happened to me. Until I realized that I'm always trading against the bigger flow in the market. Until I see that the market behave completely different way when big boys, institutional traders putting their order in the market. And to understand how the market moves, I realized that there is always two breakdown. One is the real breakdown when the market changes its trend. The other breakdown is what I called a local breakdown. And this is the secret of all the strategies that I use in my trading, and also the secret of most of the institutional traders. So in this video, I'm going to show you today how do I identify the local breakdown or local breakout to find high probability trade setup that helps me to remain consistently profitable over the long term. Now this is a very important lesson, guys, so make sure that you stick till the end of this session. Before I begin, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay, today. So before we go to the in-depth understanding of local breakdown, let me quickly show you what is the theory behind the local breakdown so that you understand it clearly before we go to the chart. So make sure that, guys, you are not missing out any piece of this very important lesson. Now, as a rule of thumb, the market moves in a certain way. If you look at this market trend, what we see that in that area, this market was dropping, creating series of lower high and lower low, which is typical downtrending market structure. Now in that downtrending market structure, as you know, the trend will never move in one direction. At some point we could see that the change of trend. Now the change of trend happens in many ways. One of them is creating a reversal pattern. Now that reversal pattern could be an inverted head and shoulder from downtrend to an uptrend, or a consolidation, or any kind of pattern that we can look at in that area to see how the market changing its trend. Now what we saw that in that area, the market changes its trend from a downtrend to an uptrend, and with that break of structure from this downtrend to an uptrend, the price has come down for a pullback, which is typical phenomena in the market. Now that pullback may not be that the price testing this resistance as a support. We could see even a gap here, which is a fair value gap. When the market trend is very strong, there could be a fair value gap. Now afterwards, what we saw that the price had completely broken out, and with that breakout, what we saw in that area, the market creating series of higher high and higher low, which is typical uptrending market structure. Now with that market structure, you will see that this happens over and over in the market, and this is the real secret, guys. When you see that this market breaks down from that trend, many retail trader makes this mistake. What is that mistake? The market has a broken down, probably it is a change of trend, but as you know that Rome is not built in one day. A trend is not going to end in just one day. So we could see that the market had a breakdown in majority of the time, which is a local breakdown, which is a false breakdown. After breaking that swing low or that level, we could see that the market is just getting back to the upside, and this is the smart money trading zone, because smart money never buy or sell all the time like we do as a retail trader. They only buy and sell from such an important level after this local breakdown. And as a retail trader, when we trade like the smart money, this is where we take the trade in the direction of the bigger flow. So with that being said, this is where is the secret lies to find a trading opportunity after this local breakdown. This is the simplest way to trade, but the most profitable way to trade the market. Now let's look at the chart to understand how we can identify this local breakdown in the real chart or that local breakout, and then how we can find the entry opportunity, guys. Let's jump onto the chart. Okay, so let's see this example. This is GBP JPY. Now this is the daily chart. We'll see the daily chart and also the lower time frame. Now what you see that GBP JPY is moving up with this clear uptrending market structure, which is a clearly defined bullish market structure, creating series of higher low, which is a very strong bullish market structure. Now what happened, look at this here. From this level there was a sudden breakdown on GJ with this huge impulse towards the downside, and this is the trend that has a clear breakdown. And I know that there is a lot of trader trapped on that breakdown thinking that that's a change of trend, the price reversed from a resistance, let's sell. But what happened, look at this in the lower time frame. After this local breakdown, once the market has come to that important level below this swing low, after gathering liquidity, the market had an immediate U-turn, and this is where we have opened also a massive trade based on our strategy. Now you can see on the screen, this is the trade also sent out to the VIP group who are trading with us, and also you have seen, guys, during the live session as well. Now afterwards, once we saw that the market had a U-turn from that level, there was a massive upside, and with that massive upside bias, the price almost reached 367 pip, and we have been able to catch in that trade almost 265 pip using the local breakdown. Now this was not initially, I couldn't do like that. I also traded, guys, like many of you are still trading, buying from the bottom, selling from the top, just to see that the trend always going in the direction and your trade is going the other way. If this is happening, make sure, guys, you pay attention to this video and watch over and over again to see how you can use this, understanding this local breakdown. Now let me show you some more examples so that you understand it clearly how to identify that local breakdown. Okay, traders, so let's look at another massive trade on dollar yen. Also this will give you a clear idea of local breakdown. Let me replay the chart here from this level. Now as you can see that dollar yen, this is a very long-term established uptrend on dollar yen, and this is the support level dollar yen was respecting for an extended period of time. So you see this is the support here, support here, support here, and also support here. Now from that support, what happened is that dollar yen had a strong breakout and an immediate drop, and with that drop you can see that the market has broken that trend line completely to the downside, has broken this swing low, has come to a level which is an overextended to the downside, which is the local breakdown. And then we saw that the market started to move up to create another impulse, and this is where we have entered this massive trade on dollar yen, has gone back up to the resistance level, has given us another massive 4.6% trade, which is almost nearly 210 pip in this single trade using this local breakdown. I strongly believe that, guys, this very important lesson on local breakdown, the strategy, was helpful to you. If you find value in it, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also press that bell notification so that you're not missing out that I'm posting every single day. In addition to that, I'm also trading this strategy with VIP members, sending all those trade to the VIP group. You can join today. Last moment to join with the Black Friday sale going on. The coupon you can find below this video in the description. Use that coupon to join us in the last moment, as it is going to be ending tonight. Thank you, and I'll see you soon on the other side.